Governor Greg Gianforte and Attorney General Austin Knudsen said in a news conference Wednesday at the Montana State Capitol that it appeared Helena city leaders were ignoring state law with their policy setting out when and how city employees cooperate with federal immigration enforcement.
Today we send a clear message to all local governments across the state. If you are found to be in violation of state law, there will be penalties. In Montana, we don't tolerate defiance, and we support our local law enforcement.
Gianforte said he had asked Knudsen to launch an investigation of Helena under House Bill 200, a 2021 law that prohibits cities from adopting policies restricting sharing information on a person's immigration status for a lawful purpose. Helena adopted a resolution last month on the city's policy for interacting with immigration officials, following months of discussion after a man was arrested and detained on immigration charges in July. Knudsen pointed to a particular provision of the policy he said likely violates the state law. It says city employees won't disclose sensitive information, including a person's immigration status, except as required by law to provide a city service, carry out a function of city government, or on receiving a valid court order.
The City Council of Helena thumbing its nose at the Montana legislature. If the City of Helena does not like state law, I encourage it to retain counsel, get a lobbyist, come up here to the Capitol during the 27th legislative session and take its best shot at changing the law. In the meantime, we will enforce state law as passed by the Montana legislature and as signed by the governor.
Gianforte and Knudsen said if the city is found to be in violation, it could face fines of $10,000 every 5 days and lose access to certain state grants. The City of Helena released a statement Wednesday saying they had not received formal notice about the investigation. They said they typically don't comment on pending litigation, but added, quote, "The resolution was drafted with careful consideration of applicable local, state, and federal law, and the city believes the resolution is consistent with those legal requirements. The city remains committed to upholding all applicable federal and state laws." Knudsen said this is the first time he's conducted a formal investigation under HB 200. He said he's looked into Missoula as well, but that they don't have a formal written policy like Helena's. In Helena, Jonathan Amberian, MTN News.